fuck's guy doing, bro? Shit.
Man.
Yeah.
Stay on I-25 south for 8.8 miles.
That's the fucking thing about driving around.
What's guy doing? Oh, shit. Shit.
Man.
Yeah.
Stay on I-25 south for 8.8 miles.
That's the fucking thing about driving around. You can be as safe as you can be. Some asshole. Drunk in a big ass truck. Just wanting to do whatever the fuck they want to do.
So basically, last night this ride was like at 1 a.m. I believe, either 1 or 2 a.m. Yeah, my dash cam haven't been adjusted for the time yet, but yeah, basically he was tailgating me, and if you look in your rearview mirror and the headlights disappear, it means they were pretty close, man. Yeah, man, if I slammed on my brakes or something, he would have rear-ended me. Yeah, but that that's the guy in driving the Chevy Avalanche. So he was basically going from 20th Street into I-25 southbound. Yeah, there was 2 lanes. He could have just passed me, but I don't know. For some reason, he wanted to tailgate, and he got really close. Yeah, yeah, man. These stupid drunk drivers late night. You know, if you're gonna be drunk, might as well drive safely, right? This dude want to do some tailgating and stuff. Oh, man, things could have been pretty bad last night, but yeah, man, we live to drive another day. Yeah. So, and this is like the third time something. This is like the third close call within I would say the last 7 months or so. Almost got T-boned at the almost got T-boned from driver's side like at least twice. Yeah, a few months ago, twice, and today I almost got rear-ended going down the ramp to the highway. It's ridiculous, man.